amazing artists. We are here today to show you some pirate artwork that is on our e-learning art page, and it's from the Cassie Stevens blog and YouTube channel. She's an art teacher in Tennessee, and Declan made this one. It is his wanted poster of a pirate, and his pirate name is Dirty Locks Dark Waters. Yes? Oh, I forgot to introduce. This is Aubrey, and her pirate name turns out to be Ankle Biter Dark Waters. And Declan, whose pirate name is Dirty Locks Dark Waters. So to figure out your pirate name, you're going to have to look at the link below because I put it there. That's from Cassie Stevens' website too. So check it out. You can try it out with home and post it to Seesaw or send me an email. And we have this story called Pirates Love Underpants, because one way to inspire art making is from a book that you read as a response. Oh, I forgot. I keep forgetting things. This is one of the handouts that comes along with the lesson, and Aubrey colored that, and she wanted to share that with you. All right, well, let's start with the joke, and then we'll get to the story. Go ahead, Declan.
What's the pirate's favorite subject?
I don't know. Art. It looks like Aubrey's walking the plank over here. Silly goose. Can you sit down? We're not walking the plank. She wanted to show you her shirt. She had a JoJo Siwa birthday party the other day in quarantine. All right. Here is Pirates Love Underpants. And this is by Claire Friedman and Ben Court. Oh my goodness. Look at all those different patterns and designs.
Mom, I
You
know.
would design your own
Mom,
underpants.
do you know I know who this belongs to?
Who?
But it's big in the picture, but it must be small. It's the parrots.
The parrots?
It's supposed to be small,
Okay,
but
we'll
it's
get
big.
to that. Pirate. I'm going to keep on trying to say parrots. Pirates Love Underpants. All right, here we go. Oh, there. These pirates so love underpants, they're on a special quest to find the fabled pants of gold for the captain's treasure chest. Pants of gold. Underpants of gold. Whoa. Anchors away, the captain cries. Hoist up black bloomer's sail. Unfurl the secret treasure map. Pant pirates never fail. Ooh, look at those funny sharks. Wait a second. Sharks don't even wear underpants. That's very silly. Okay, I'm getting used to turning this book. There we go. It's a mirror image. Okay. Black bloomer bobs upon the waves. The captain shouts, hooray! Sharks and fancy underpants. We've found Big Knickers Bay.
I think it's
Bloomer. Black bloomer. You see, these kids are so smart. All right. The pirates grab their shiny swords and row their boats to shore. Yikes me hearties, what is this? Someone's been here before. Ooh, they see the footprints. I love it when books turn this way. Oh, it's a really long one. Whoa, look at down there at the bottom. Yikes. The footprints lead through shifting dunes across the Three Pants Ridge. Snap, snap, snarl the hungry crocs beneath the Long John Bridge. Snap, 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 snap. Turn the book upside down. Okay. Ooh, they're in a cave. The pirates wade through gurgling swamps, through caves as black as night. They trek through prickly undergrowth, then gulp. Oh, what a sight! Are you a cave dweller, Aubrey? Here we go. Oh, there's those gold underpants.
Aubrey's done.
Aubrey. We're here too late, the pirates gasp. Another pirate crew. They found the golden underpants. What are we going to do?
The captain has a plan. He's gonna do this.
captain has a cunning plan. It's clever, it's fantastic. Grab their fancy underpants and cut through the elastic. Now that
It's a great plan.
well, I was gonna say.
And then
not
I'll
very
roll
nice.
it down the hills.
Oh, okay, let's see. As the rival pirates sleep, they snip round on tiptoe. But help! The captain's parrot squawks and wakes them up. Oh no! Squawk! Squawk! Oh yeah, that's definitely not very nice. Although the captain looks like you, Declan, in your outfit. Although his hat is an underpants though. Okay. Grab those pants! The captain roars. They're after us! Arr! But with their pants around their feet, they don't get very far. Well, yeah, because you would trip and fall. Yo ho ho! Yo ho ho ho! The pirates dance. Fine treasure fills our hold. But what the booty do we love best? The glittering pants of gold. This is the silliest story. Yes, 2 more jokes he has at the end. So when you put your pants on, check the elastic is in place. Or like those silly pirates found, you'll have a bright red face. That means you'll be embarrassed.
Mom.
And there are all of those really cool patterns. I think we should design our own underpants for fun too. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We could design our own like underpants, like draw underpants and like underwear, and then
This
like
is like
do whatever you want on it.
Yes.
Mom, do you know what this reminds me of?
What?
It's kind of like the pirates, but it might be a king. See?
Yep. If we turned it this way, it looks like a crown, right? That one.
And now I'm gonna tell 2 jokes.
Okay, 2 more jokes.
2 more jokes.
What did the ocean say to the pirate?
What did the ocean say
And
to the
the
pirate?
pirate?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Nothing. It just waved.
Oh,
Nothing.
brother.
It just went.
Like the sea, the ocean waves. Oh, brother. Okay, go ahead. Last joke.
Why does it take pirates so long to learn the alphabet?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Because
Because
they can't spend years at sea.
Get it? Sea, like sea, but also the letter
Yeah, like
C.
sea, but like the sea.
I like that one. Well, I hope you enjoyed Pirates Love Underpants. Books can be an inspiration for art while you're at home. When I gotta finish before we say bye. Click the link down below or check the e-learning site for the wanted posters. And I forgot, there are 2 more things that the kiddos here at home did that's on that e-learning website. Declan made this. It's a inspirational poster. It's called a kindness poster, so that's on there this week. It says, "You can do it, never give up." And then you can post these really kind posters in your window. And we also did the design a superhero mask. So this is the one that Declan did, and he actually added some paper so it could go on top of your face. And then with that, you can design your own superhero, and this one's Aubrey's, of course, rainbow. She's like me, loving the rainbows. And oh, here it is. This is the mask that Aubrey made. So again, keep uploading any pictures of art you make to your Seesaw folder. I miss you. We'll be back with another story and some more jokes and art, okay?
Okay.
Now we can say bye.